News. Why? Because that tells you not everything is bad for the IT sector per se. Markets are about to open, and let's see the first rates. And I'll just start, going from sector to sector now. You got to first start with the SENSEX and the Nifty just to get the first rates there. Let's look at TCS. You have to look at ICICI Bank because the fundraising plan was announced. The fundraising plans was much less than what they announced, what markets was anticipating. Metals, the real comeback sector for Thursday. Wednesday, Thursday have been good days for across the board some of the metal stocks. Gold prices internationally sitting above $1,800. Needless to say, the tailwind for a Mannapuram and a Muthoot is only going to get increasingly strong and strong. I mean, Mannapuram and Muthoot are companies which we don't talk about it because markets are obsessed to talk about insurance and private banks. But these are two stocks where serious wealth creations happened in last 10 years and the wealth creation has not got destroyed. With gold at those levels, those are important stocks to monitor. I want to go back to the intraday graph of Reliance. Let's revisit TCS once again. UPL, watch out. This is going to be an interesting stock to monitor purely because the agrarian economy is making a comeback, not locally but globally as well. Infosys 784. So TCS is not really doing a jive to the numbers because markets are not paying too much of attention to the recovery, but I would insist that one should not undermine the commentary there. And then you've got Reliance Industries chugging along at 1821. Bharti is making a comeback at 571, and the large cap basket or the large cap market is once again off to a decent start.
Yeah, TCS has had a very quiet start right now. The whole IT sector in focus. TCS just about scratching the green surface as we speak right now. A big negative for Tata Power as well as Adani Power. So let's bring up those stocks as well. A major setback. The Gujarat government has decided to cancel its earlier order allowing higher tariffs to 3 power companies. That's Tata, Adani as well as SR. The state cabinet has cancelled the earlier order for higher tariffs on the ground of public interest. That's the word coming in. So these stocks, Tata Power as well as Adani Power, both those names in focus as well. Axis Capital, they've come out with their annual report analysis for Reliance Industries. The target is now being raised to 2130. Reliance, remember, has also got that $1 billion from BP for the new Indian fuels and mobility joint venture as well. So look out for that too. A couple of other earnings today. You've got IRCTC, you've got SAIL, Karnataka Bank, GNFC as well as Future Consumer, which are slated to come out with their numbers. Then I want to see what PNB is up to. They've reported that $492 million fraud, which they are alleging to DHFL. So look out for that stock. Tata Motors were in the weak retail sales for June, but encouraging comments in China as well as North America. ICICI Pru Life, weakest performance amongst peers in the month of June. And you've got Ambuja AGM as well, which is slated today. So just look out for some of these names. They're going to be in focus. PNB has had a very sharp slide, 6.5% lower as we speak right now. For the markets as well, that slight bit of weakness bias continues. 10,765 after making it to that 10,800 mark. That's some weakness coming in. And now we're seeing some more weakness trickle in. The breadth of the market has also started off on a negative note as we speak right now. Nikunj?